Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer inventory forecasting using Unleashed, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring inventory forecasting using Unleashed, log in to your Unleashed account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the inventory section on the main menu. In the inventory section, look for the forecasting tab. Click on the forecasting tab to access the forecasting tools. Next, choose the specific product or product range you want to forecast. Ensure that you have the necessary sales data for accurate forecasting. If not, gather historical sales data from previous periods for better accuracy. After selecting your product, locate the Create Forecast option. Click on the Create Forecast button to initiate the inventory forecasting process. Unleashed will prompt you to input various parameters for your forecast. Specify the forecasting period, such as monthly or quarterly intervals. Set your desired lead time for inventory replenishment. Next, select the forecasting method that suits your business needs. Unleashed offers multiple methods, including linear regression and seasonality adjustments. Once you have configured the parameters, review the calculated forecasts for accuracy. Adjust any values that may not reflect your expectations or trends. After confirming your forecast values, save your forecast. You can also export this forecast to a report if needed. To monitor the effectiveness of your forecast, return to the Forecasting tab regularly. Track actual sales against your forecast to identify any discrepancies. Make adjustments to your forecasting strategy based on this analysis for continuous improvement. By regularly refining your inventory forecasting in Unleashed, you can optimize inventory levels and improve your supply chain efficiency. Always keep in mind the importance of reviewing and updating your forecasts periodically. Now that you understand the steps, you're ready to transfer your inventory forecasting using Unleashed effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.